this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you turn on Leaderboard on Duolingo language lesson app. To turn on Leaderboard on Duolingo language lesson app, you'll have to follow these simple steps. First thing first, you want to go ahead and log into your Duolingo account. When you are logged in, from the home page, you want to go ahead and click the profile at the bottom or right hand side corner of your screen. After which you'll be taken to your profile page. Click the gear from the top right hand side corner of your screen. On the next field, you'll be taken to settings. Here, go to account and under it click on notifications. Once you click on notification, you'll be directed to next page where you could find the option as Leaderboard. Make sure to tap on it, and if you want to toggle it on or if you want to turn it on, you just have to press on the square icon in the right hand side corner of your screen and then follow the prompt, and you have to enable some of the permissions as well. Once you've done it, so you'll have successfully turned on Leaderboard on Duolingo language lesson app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.